up, guys? So my taillight sequencer from Diode Dynamics just came in, so we're going to go ahead and install that. It's pretty simple. You just got to go to the trunk back here. You got to remove a few like plastic screws out of the rear panel in the trunk, and then it's basically plug and play from there. So we'll see. Here we go. So you can see there's just 4 pins that come out of the rear panel right there, 2 on each side. And so that's step 1 right here. Now we got to remove this push pin on each side and peel it back, and then we should have access to the wire. So you got to start over here. You can see I already got that one on. They're not side specific, like I said, so you just literally unplug your stock one, and then you get your carpet all good and back up in there. So yeah, you just peel that back. I had to reach over in here. You just press in and pull the top half off. If I could reach it. Okay, and so literally just plug and play afterwards. You'll hear it snap back in, and then you put your carpet back where it needs to go. We can put our push pins back in first. We can reinstall our trunk panel. So there we go. Back in, you just press down, make sure it's good and snug. And then you take your 2 screws per side, screw them back in. Just putting the last one on now. And there we go. Install is finished. Can't even tell we did anything. The quickest way to see if they work is just go ahead and press the unlock button on your key, and then as soon as the car unlocks, it should look like your turn signal. That should both go in sequence. Haha, there we go. Looks really cool. Next we're going to test the hazards and stuff. There we go. There's the hazards, so that's how they work. So it should also work when you just press the brakes, so I'm going to test that. So our next item that we're going to fix are these pitiful looking halogen bulbs that Ford gives you from the factory. And we're going to replace them with the brightest bulb that Diode Dynamics sells for the map lighting, and cool white was the color I picked. So here we go. So you literally had to take this whole thing off, so basically you got to get your finger like up in here on both sides and just pull down. So now we're going to remove the stock bulb on each side and then put the new Diode. I'm just going to do a quick test before you put them back in there because they are polar sensitive. Both of them work. So they look good and they are super bright, which is awesome. I mean, they're putting out light right now even in the daytime. So guys, that finishes up my installation of the Diode Dynamics HP5 map lights in cool white and my taillight sequencer in the rear, so I can always have this sequential effect of the taillights no matter like if I'm doing braking, hazards, or turning. So that makes it a lot cooler and makes it a lot more unique, or if I unlock it, or so. But again, guys, just thank you for watching. Give us a like down below. Please subscribe if you're new, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, because we're doing a $300 giveaway. Remember, details are down below. Don't want to miss that. It's just a button. That's all you got to do. So again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something, and peace out.